I want to show you an easy way to add a participation grade into the system. So the first thing you're going to do is in your syllabus, go down to your assessments and grades, and you're going to see that you have two different options. So when you come in here and you look at something, let's just look at this. We can have a category named participation, and there's two types, graded and not graded. So this is the not graded one, and you may have this because maybe you want to put this you want to tag certain text modules with this. That's okay. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this second one, a participation for a grade. And notice, make sure you use a different name than just participation because you have to be able to pick. So I call this participation for grade. I've marked that this is not participation, but it is graded. So it's going to factor in, and you give it the amount of weight that you want, and you save that category. So now it becomes like this is just like any other assignment or something else like that, but it gives you an opportunity to factor in their participation into the final grade. So once you've done that, what you need to do is come over here to your course builder, and someplace along here you're going to build an assignment called the participation grade. You just use the assignment module. So we look here. This is the assignment module. You can add this at the end. I would suggest that this be something at the very end of the course if you want, however you want it. But you do this, participation grade, and here you need some instructions. What you need is something for them to, a student, to send back to you to give you an opportunity to grade something. So you might write, have them submit what you think your participation grade should be for this course. Maybe you want to say this is where you send back in your a survey on the course, or anything that you want a student to do, but just don't have it be anything that is truly something graded. This is just going to be an opportunity for them to send you a file that then you can grade. All right, when you've done that, make sure your grading category now becomes, see, you can have participation, this is the ungraded, and now we're doing this participation for grade, and make sure that we save it. And so we can go back now and we can look in our class and we can look for assignments, just double checking, and we see that we do have a participation grade. So then, as you remember, let's see if we can remember this, when we don't have any students in here, so I'm just going to show you in the demo model very quickly. Okay, so then on your courses, what you're going to do is you're going to be coming back and you're going to be grading them. So then what you're going to see is the student's name is going to come up, and they're going to have something down here called their participation, and this is where you're going to get to be able to go in. Right here, it's going to have participation, and then you can come in and put whatever number you want here. So this might be like whatever they sent in. They did well, I'm going to give them a 50%, and then you can make comments like good participation, or I didn't give you, or you didn't apply enough, or you missed too many classes, whatever you want to do, and then that is the way that you can get in the participation grade.